Hey MSquad, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mary Maxine, the girl with the kinks and the curls.
Tell me how you want it. Coming up, brother in the casket. Tell me how you want it.
In today's video, I will be showing you all how I got this voluminous twist out using the entire Golden Herbal collection from Tailored Beauty. Before I jump into this video, if you like this video, please be sure to leave a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment in the comment section letting me know if you've ever tried any of Tailored Beauty products before. Subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Wednesday at 6 p.m. as well as every Saturday at 3 p.m. Make sure you also turn on that post notification bell when you subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And last but not least, please be sure to follow me on Instagram. My name on Instagram is @KinkyCurlyMary. So before I jump into the demo, I just wanted to chat it up with you all just a little bit. So I essentially used the entire line from the Golden Herbal collection, and I can say that the line left my hair feeling so soft. This is the results right here. So as you can see, there is a definition. There is also some volume going on as well, which I really like. So with this in mind, I just want to show you all what it looked like before I jumped into the demo portion. So now we're just gonna jump into the demo portion where I will talk about all the products in more detail. Alrighty y'all, so let's get into this demo portion of the video. So first up, I am going in with the Moisture Penetrating Deep Conditioner Treatment. This deep conditioning treatment is supposed to give your hair a slip, reduce breakage, restore damaged strands, and help aid in retaining length. Some key ingredients include Fenugreek Powder and Bhringaraj Oil. What I can say about this deep conditioner is that it is super moisturizing. I love how it had my hair feeling. And just to make sure I sealed in the moisture from the deep conditioner, I actually went in with some of the Lustrous Hair Remedy Serum. And this serum will add shine to your hair as well as seal in moisture, which is super important. Some key ingredients inside this oil include Hempseed Oil and Neem Oil. So these two items paired together honestly left my hair feeling pillow soft. I just loved how my hair felt after rinsing out this deep conditioning treatment. I recommend using these two together if you do end up getting both of them. I just think they go really well together, and it does not say to use these together. I just chose to do that because my hair was in need of some extreme deep conditioning. So I'm just going to continue applying the deep conditioner and then going in with the oil. But y'all, I highly recommend using these two together. And after I finished applying the deep conditioner and oil, I just went in with 2 plastic caps on my hair, and then I sat under my hooded dryer for 30 minutes just to make sure that all of that moisture soaked into my low porosity hair. Alrighty, so now it is time to style my hair. I went in with the Moisture Penetrating Leave-In Conditioner treatment. And then after applying this leave-in conditioner, I followed up with the Curl Antidote Curling Cream, which is super moisturizing. I honestly love these two paired together. So I applied the cream onto my strands as well, just to make sure that I got myself a little definition. And then last but not least, I added a little bit of the Flexible Curl Potion mousse on top of my hair, just to make sure that I had I don't want to say zero to no, but because that makes no sense. But just to make sure that I had little to no frizz on my hair. So real quickly, I'm just going to go over all of the last 3 products that I just ran through. So the Moisture Penetrating Leave-In Conditioner treatment is supposed to strengthen strands and detangle your hair with ease. What I can say about this leave-in conditioner is that it did both. As you all saw in a couple of clips ago, if that makes sense, a couple of clips. I'm just gonna say, as you all saw in the last clip when I was detangling with the leave-in conditioner, it just gave my hair some really good slip. And actually this clip right here, as you can see, this leave-in conditioner just literally glided into my hair. And I just love, love, love how it smells as well. Some of the key ingredients inside this leave-in conditioner include, again, Fenugreek Powder Bhringaraj Oil and Neem Oil. Next up, we have the Curl Antidote Curling Cream. This cream is supposed to nourish your strands and give your hair a light hold. I could definitely say that the cream nourished my strands. It honestly melted into my hair like butter. I don't know if you all know the phrase like, oh, it feels so soft, or it melts into my hair like butter. Literally, this was one of my favorite, if not my favorite thing from the whole collection, because it gave my hair some really good definition and it just felt so nice on my hair just going on. Some key ingredients inside of the Curl Antidote Curling Cream include go-to cola extract as well as neem oil. Last but not least is the Flexible Curl Potion Mousse. This mousse is said to give your curls shine, leave your hair frizz-free, and give your hair a lightweight hold. What I can say about this mousse is that it actually does that. When I unravel my hair, you will see that I don't have as much frizz as I typically do. And I think it has something to do with using this mousse on top of the cream. I also believe that it has to do with the oil that I used as well to unravel my hair. I used the same serum that was sent within this line, so I used that to unravel my hair, and I think that also played a part in little to no frizz. But I just really liked how my hair was feeling just using these products. I noticed that when I use certain things, they kind of leave my hair feeling tacky, but these products honestly left my hair feeling super, super soft as well as super moisturized. So I'm just going to let the rest of the video play, and then I will see you after the takedown process. And that is all for my video today. As you can see, these are my results. I like my hair. It's very voluminous. It's more voluminous than typical, especially because there's more of such a soft hold to my hair. I'm not mad about that or anything like that. I'm just used to seeing my hair more shrunken, but I'm living for this volume. So if you like my hair and you want to save some coins, use my coupon code KinkyCurlyMary to save 10% off your entire purchase. I want to send a huge thank you to Tailored Beauty for sending out these products for me to do a review. I am super excited with how my hair turned out. I can't wait to try different styles. Y'all, I might even do a wash and go with the mousse. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to do that, because you know, mousse wash and goes are my favorites. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see me do a mousse wash and go with their mousse, and I'll definitely do it for you all. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please be sure to leave a thumbs up. Make sure you also leave a comment in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Wednesday at 6 p.m. as well as every Saturday at 3 p.m. You don't want to miss out when those videos go up. Turn on that post notification bell so that you are notified every single time those videos go up. Last but not least, follow me on Instagram. My name on Instagram is at KinkyCurlyMary. I love chatting with you all on Instagram, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And that is all. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video, MSquad. Peace and love always. Bye, y'all.